In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Viva Connections. First, start in Microsoft 365. From your Microsoft 365 home, open the App Launcher and head to the Apps section. This is where you'll find the services available to your organization. Look for Connections. Selecting it opens Viva Connections, which brings your company's news, resources, and tasks together in one experience. Once you're in, it helps to know the structure. Viva Connections is organized into four main areas designed to keep everyone connected and informed. Think of them as building blocks you can tailor to your organization's needs: the dashboard, the feed, resources, and spotlight. We'll walk through each so you understand what they're for and how to think about configuring them. The dashboard is your central hub. It uses interactive cards to surface everyday tasks and tools, things like booking time off, checking pay stubs, or launching frequently used apps. As you set this up, focus on the actions employees perform most often and keep the layout simple so people can get in, get what they need, and move on. Group similar tasks together, write clear labels, and remember that cards should offer quick wins, not long journeys. Next is the feed, a personalized stream that pulls relevant content from across Microsoft 365, including company news, updates from sites you follow, and conversations from collaboration spaces. The goal here is relevance. Encourage content owners across your organization to publish timely, high-quality updates and use concise headlines. Consistency helps the algorithm surface the right items, so establish simple publishing guidelines and avoid overwhelming people with too many posts at once. Resources is where you provide curated access to company sites, apps, and important links. Treat this like your always-on navigation bar. Organize links in a way that mirrors how your employees actually work, by department, function, or common tasks, and use clear, consistent names. Prioritize the essentials, keep the list short and purposeful, and review it periodically so nothing goes stale. Finally, Spotlight lets you highlight can't miss information, major announcements, leadership messages, policy changes, or benefits deadlines. Use this sparingly so it maintains its impact. Keep messages short, visual when possible, and time-bound, and rotate them regularly so employees learn to trust that Spotlight always surfaces what matters now. And that's the core of setting up Viva Connections. Get into Microsoft 365, open Connections, and shape the dashboard, feed, resources, and Spotlight so they reflect your organization's priorities. Keep it simple, keep it current, and keep it employee-centered, and you'll have a powerful home base that meets people where they already work.